Hi, my name is Rudima. Welcome to my channel Bits and Odds. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY wooden decor. It's a welcome door sign and let's see how it's done.
Take a wooden slab of any shape and paint it with an acrylic color. I have chosen a circular shape and have painted it white. Once the paint is dry, use a sandpaper or a metal wool to give it a worn out look. You can either write with a paintbrush or use a stencil on it. I have used a pencil first to give a slight outline.
Now this is how it looks once it's dry. It takes a couple of hours for the paint to dry. Now I have poked two holes here for us to hang the piece.
I now insert a jute thread and put a knot to hold the rope in place.
Now I'm going to place a few leaves over here.
I am making a bow with a few jute strings.
In the same way, I have also made another bow and I am placing it over the jute string. Now take a smaller jute string and tie it up. This is the final look. Let's hang it on the door. Try doing this at home and let me know your comments. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.